Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful wig that I have installed. If you want to know all the details about today's install, continue watching. Today's hair sponsor is UpgradeU hair. This is actually my second collaboration with them. So we are back with another. Today I have installed a 24-inch 13x4 chestnut curly wig. This is giving me kinky curly.
I just don't know something in your eyes, the way you stare at me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go.
This color is gonna be so beautiful.
You go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow.
I'm gonna go in with the tiniest bit of lace tint.
It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times.
Let's do some baby hairs here.
Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies.
I get asked this question a lot, what I use on my curly hair. I keep it very simple. I use only a few products now. I like the Shea Moisture Curl Cream, but water works just as good, you guys. If you're ever like confused or you don't have any products, just get a spray bottle with some water and spray that wig down and define those curls. And once you define the curls, don't touch them. Leave it alone and let it dry that way. And I promise you, they will dry to be very beautiful curls. This is what I like to use. Jamaican black castor oil conditioner cream. This is my favorite product to use on really curly hair or like kinky hair because it defines it, but it still gives it some movement. The brush that I'm using is a wet brush. It's just very flexible. It's called wet brush. That's what I'm using for this curl pattern. This wig is definitely stretch length 24-inch. It is giving short, but that's because of stretch length. Kinky styles, if it is stretch length, it's gonna look much shorter than you're anticipating. So that is definitely something to think about, guys, when you're getting these curly wigs. Find out if it is stretch length or styled length, because that is pretty important when it comes to curly wigs. If you're thinking it's gonna look curly and it's gonna look 24-inch and it's not, that could be a big issue for you or a problem. What I'm gonna do is just let the hair dry, and then I'm gonna come back when it's dried and show you guys.
If
I have the 180% density, and she is definitely very full. During this time of year, I like to bring out the colored wigs, and this color is one of my favorite, like reds, brown, fall colors. To be honest, this color would look good all year round. Let's talk about the install and what I did to get this wig to look like this. I did bleach the knots on this unit. It's not mandatory to bleach your knots because they're still going to show through, but I find that with the colored wigs and like the reds and stuff like that, the knots look a little bit darker than the color of the wig. It did lift a bit, and I did the install. I let it air dry, and then we did some baby hairs and some sideburns. Nothing fancy. Now this wig says it's HD. I would say this lace is more like transparent. It might be a mixture of both, but it's not giving me like full HD because I definitely had to go in and tint it. It was looking a little bit light. If you want a styled length 24, I would say you have to go for like a 30-inch to get that, because yeah, 24-inch in stretched length is giving me like 18 inches when it's curled in the styled form. It is still a really beautiful wig, and the color is really pretty, very vibrant. If you guys want to check out UpgradeU hair, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box for you. There's a coupon code, it's gonna be there as well. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, if this is your first time watching. I do lots of hair reviews and lifestyle reviews, but mainly hair reviews. If you have any comments, leave it in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys soon in another video. Bye for now.